Hi, Robin. Thank you very much for joining. I'm really excited to talk with you. How are you doing?
I'm good, Om. I'm having very good coffee, feeling pretty awesome. Startup vibes. So all good and nice.
Awesome. And yeah, we are going to talk that startup vibes. And to share to audience, reason why we connected. Uh, when I open LinkedIn from last couple of days, first post I see it's about your company, your innovation, and
Okay.
of course, it's for TDX. Just 10 days to go. So
Yeah.
before that, why not you give quick intro about your innovative idea that's really trending currently and excitement for TDX?
Okay, 100% Om. Okay, very good questions at the top. So first and foremost, thank you for inviting me. And I will not say something which I keep on reciting like a poem. I will say something which a customer told us today. That when
Okay.
they looked at the TestZeus demo, it was the most affordable solution they found for Salesforce testing and automation in the most simple words. So using TestZeus AI agents, you can write a small test case. Log into my
Mhm.
Salesforce account. When I create a lead, then a lead should be created. In 3 lines, your lead creation flow is tested by the AI agent. That is the innovation that we are bringing, not just for TDX, but for the whole Salesforce community as part of our offering. And that is also why I'm super excited about this TDX, because at the booth number 10, people will be
Okay.
able to visit this technology, use it, do a quick hands-on, and then take it forward.
Well, excited. I am also
Yeah.
attending. So yeah, I will visit the booth as well. Okay. So why someone should visit the booth? Let's say I'm a developer, I'm an architect, I'm a tester. Who should visit?
I think everybody who wants to do quality work and wants to
Mhm.
deliver quality products should visit our booth. I wanted to say that everybody who wants nice swag should visit our booth, but no, that is the
Oh,
wrong reason. You can come for that reason. So come for the swag, but stay for the innovative solutions to improve the quality of your work. I think in today's Salesforce world, there are so many people who are building solutions at different levels, right? Even at Epic Round, you would have seen that out of 100 CFPs, RFPs, the real value comes through when the team delivers real quality. And
correct.
that is why people should visit our booth to push their quality game up. As simple as that.
Awesome. So quick thought in my mind.
Yes.
Uh, let's say everyone is used to like everyone is habit to using some of the platform, right? Automation tools, testing tools. So why they should try this new? What's unique?
Yeah, I think that is something which I get asked thrice every day from multiple parties, customers, clients, prospects.
And
Um, Interestingly, there are many tools and solutions. I have personally tried 31 solutions for Salesforce testing and automation.
Mhm.
Some of them running on this laptop as we talk. All of them promise no code, low code solution and Salesforce testing and automation. Rarely does anyone actually enable people to write test cases in natural English language. So, for example, when I mentioned in our agent, you can say, given I'm logged into Salesforce, when I create a lead, then a lead should be created. It's as simple as that. So, that is the real power of using agentic AI for Salesforce testing, which I believe, in my biased view, nobody else does.
Okay, so today, like everyone talking AI agents, even we are learning agent force. You can see here agents.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
So, uh, how you think like these agents are going to empower businesses to save times and I can say, of course, saving time and helping them being more productive. What are your thoughts in that? Not only for your applications here, but I'm asking generic.
Yeah, no, 100% no. I think that is a very, very deep question. Something me and my co-founder Shriyansh, we have discussed till late nights and early mornings.
Okay.
See, so far in the industry, and I will talk about software industry, you would have seen, and I have also seen that there were tools, right? Tools like HTML and CSS and JavaScript, using which you could build a website and you could deliver some value, right?
Right.
But a lot of that thinking responsibility was on the humans. A lot of decision making on the fly was still on humans. If the div or the header is not perfectly aligned, that was always Om's problem as a developer or Robin's problem as a tester.
Mhm.
But today, agents enable us to solve that on the fly via themselves. So the agent, for example, Agent Force for developers can do it on the fly, right? Similarly, a testing agent like TestZeus can test it on the fly. So that
Mhm.
is how we are entering this era of digital labor. So that might get some triggering reactions. But all said and done, I think so far humans used to break their head to fit it into the tool. But interestingly, with agents, you get a digital coworker with whom you can share the load and then effectively do more work, more productivity, and higher quality.
That makes sense. So maybe hard question. Do you think we are going to, impact the existing testers and QA? Maybe their job we are going to take. Is it
Okay,
correct or this is my misunderstanding?
very tough question. But okay, again, like this is something which people ask a lot of times. And see,
Right.
I'll be very candid over here. I've been a tester, engineer, for I don't know 15 plus years now, right?
Mhm.
And what I've realized is that jobs will definitely go away, but they will go away for the people who will not jump onto this train of AI and agents.
Yeah, makes sense.
So this train of AI and agents is leaving. Salesforce is branding things as Agent Force. I have a similar T-shirt I'm not wearing. I love my T-shirt with Agent Force and all. But I have taken that decision that I will learn about it. I will make myself more productive and I will deliver higher quality work. An older Robin would have not done that, maybe. He would have said, oh, I don't need to care about this. I am definitely better than these things. These don't work today. And that is how that older Robin will be get left behind when the rest of the world takes off. So the question is whether jobs will go or not. The question is, do you want to be a leader of tomorrow or not?
Loved this. And, I always keep sharing the similar thoughts like adopt what's coming on the
Yeah.
way. What's new? Explore that. Awesome. Thank you
Yeah.
very much. So here we are getting ready for TDX, and you attend lots of events. Recently, we met in the Agent Force World Tour as well. What is one tips you want to give someone who is first time going to join the TDX? How should they
Okay.
plan their day, 2 days events and full days? So
I think three things in my mind, right? And I wrote a blog about it. It's on the website. But very
okay.
specifically, three things, right? One is like please go with an open mind.
Hmm.
So you will only shine at an event if you go with an open mind to meet people and you learn new things and maybe visit a booth, maybe attend a session, maybe make some notes and all, right? If you go with a closed mind that I am the best developer in the world, or I shouldn't talk to Om seems like a developer, I am a tester, I don't know, we will gel around or not. Please break those barriers, catch lunch together. That is how you make new friends. And one of my friends used to say, huge shout out to Tristan, he used to say that your network is your net worth now. So
Yes.
your network should be actually golden. But okay, that is tip number one. Tip number two is very simple. Before going to any event, make a list of 5 people that you want
Hmm.
to meet. I have been told that 5,000 plus people will come to this TDX. You cannot meet 5,000 people in 2 days.
Correct.
So rather than the quantity of meeting people, focus on the quantity of meeting people.
Yeah.
Third is stay hydrated, do collect the swag, and have stickers.
Awesome. I think you summarize very well what we do. Learn, network, and have some fun.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, at least that has been my theme for all these events like Dreamforce and TDX, whether as a speaker or as an attendee. I think those 48 hours have been the most, how do I put it, most exciting times of that year. That
Mhm.
you really get to meet new people, new ideas, so much energy, so much vibe, and vibe testing this year. Yeah.
Yeah, awesome. So see you on the booth 10, right?
Yes, exactly.
Awesome.
Exactly. Yeah.
Well, so I believe many who is watching us, a few of them are planning to start their own startup, few of them having already startups. What's your one suggestion? I know maybe we can have a separate session for that startup, but what's your one thought coming in my mind you want to give a tips to a
Okay.
startup founders?
Okay. Second tough question today.
Oh.
But okay. See, one thing which I now tell everybody
Mhm.
is that don't do a startup because each and every day 99 people you meet will say no to your face. No, we don't believe in you. No, we don't believe in your idea. We don't believe in your product. We don't believe in this. Though, so on and so forth. Right? In order to do a startup or start your entrepreneurial journey, as Om you would have noted, it is a tough journey. It is not for the faint-hearted. Right? So first, take a 5 kg rock, put it on your heart, and then think about doing a startup. Okay. The second thing which I would recommend is a lot of people, technical people like myself, when we jump into being an entrepreneur, we think, oh, we will build an awesome product and it will just sell automatically. That rarely happens in the modern world.
Right.
So when you are thinking of being an entrepreneur, building is one angle, but what we found is that distribution is the other big thing you have to figure out. See, there is no magic in making Coca-Cola, but Coca-Cola solved the distribution, right? So that is the second thing. And then third is please stay connected to awesome people like Om and the others in the community. Your community will push you up.
Right.
But okay,
Awesome. Thank
only
you
three
very
seconds.
much. Yeah, I can connect this. Like I am in this journey from last 3 years, service-based company. So I can connect that. And you said, yeah, think from open mind.
Yeah, exactly, Om. What has been your? Let me do an Uno reverse. And in Uno you have this reverse card, so I'll play an Uno reverse. What has been your journey like? In the last 3 years of being an entrepreneur, what have you learned? Would love to learn from you as well.
I'm in the Motihari, Bihar. There is no
Yeah,
corporate culture. So one of the different
yeah.
challenge I faced, but yes, every challenge is learning, as you mentioned earlier as well. And yeah, daily something we are learning. And good thing is that we are just bringing some value from that learning, and we are not repeating any mistakes. So this is yeah,
I
good journey.
I love this. Oh, so the other thing which I love about what you guys are doing at your firm is that, see, building the next $1 million consulting firm in Bangalore, Pune, Delhi, Bombay, right, is still easier because the garden is there and you plant a seed and some plant will come out, right? Building it from Motihar, Bihar, as you said, right? There are no multi-billion-dollar corporate companies, lying around in a street. It is really commendable how you guys have broken through that barrier. So salute and hats off to you guys.
Thank you very much. I think we are able to build very beautiful team. Sometime, of course, I will meet them. And yeah, they're helping us drive this. So yeah, again, teamwork.
Yeah. Okay. Awesome. Yeah.
Well, I think we are good. Just we wanted to keep this conversation short. So thank you very much, Robin, for your time and this very helpful conversation. Thank you very much.
100% Noam. Thank you so much. And onwards and upwards to TDX. Let's catch up. Yeah.
Yeah, see you there.
Yeah. See you.